To manage thumbnail previews in Windows, the first step is to open File Explorer. Once File Explorer is open, you will need to locate the View tab on the ribbon at the top of the window. Within the View tab, you will find various options for how your files and folders are displayed. Depending on your chosen view, such as extra large icons, or medium icons, you will see thumbnail previews appear. However, if you switch to views like small icons, list, details, tiles, or content, the thumbnail previews might not be as prominent or may seem to disappear. This is because these views prioritize other display information over visual thumbnails. To ensure you can see your thumbnail previews, select a view option that supports them. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.